Hello, dear viewers. This is Lee from A Life in Shambles. And yes, my life is in a shambles right now. I've been stuck in this house for so many days. The blizzard is killing me. And I just found out that they're calling for 10 to 20 more inches of snow on Tuesday. Penis is okay, but snow isn't that great. So anyways, I'm going crazy. I've played The Sims as much as I could. I've masturbated a lot. And yes, Christine, my best friend, you are doing the same thing. I've eaten everything in the house. I'm starting to run out of food. I'm putting on them LBs, holla holler. Yes, I am wearing a Snuggie and this hat that I got from Six Flags America. Hey! And my Oakleys, which are fabulous. Hold on. Oh yeah. Anyways, I may look like Kate Gosselin in this hat. Come and get your popcorn! But I don't give a fuck. Yes, this is a Snuggie. I've been reading my Twilight saga. I'm on Breaking Dawn, everyone, because it's awesome and don't hate. But anyways, I'm bored. So, hit me up, bitches. Oh, I built an igloo, by the way. It's pretty awesome.